Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to find the major key signature for sharps. I'm going to create a chart for you. Here is my saying, fat cats go down alleys eating birds. F and everything after it gets sharped. Sharp raises the pitch a half step. This is your order of sharps. Okay, I'm going to draw an arrow on the top of each of these notes, going upward, if you can read my handwriting. And then in the alphabet, I have this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, F, G. In the musical alphabet, we repeat, we start back at A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then A, B, C. And remember I said F and everything after gets sharped. I'm looking for an F down my row here. Looking. Oh, there's an F. Okay. So I'm going to give that F a sharp, and everything after gets a sharp as well. Let me see if I can use my fine motor skills and erase this line. Oh no. I didn't do too well. Let me fix that real quick. Well, you get the gist. All right. So here are the keys we have. In the key of G, we have one sharp, and it's an F sharp. In the key of D, we have two sharps. I'm going to put these under here. I'm going to draw another arrow here to tell you which sharps you have, even though you can figure out pretty quickly you don't need to draw this chart every time. But in the key of G, I have one sharp. It's an F sharp. In the key of D, you also have an F sharp, so I'm going to put this here. And all these have an F sharp. A lot like my chart for flats, but not quite. So make sure you notice the differences. The first column of my flats doesn't have, well, take a look at it. So in this one, we're going to put the C sharp underneath here. These two charts are similar enough to confuse people, so just make sure you've taken a good look. The key of A, we add a G sharp to it. Again, pardon my bad handwriting. F, I think that's supposed to be an E. Sorry, everybody. Okay, G, E, A. Oh, yeah. F, C, G, D, A. Okay. In the key of E, we have a D sharp as well. I'm going to add the A sharp to everything. Add E sharp. And then add the B sharp. I could keep going, but I'm not gonna. Alright, in the first column we have one sharp. G major has one sharp. D major has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. A major has three sharps. Fat cats go. E, I don't think it'll fit here, but it has four sharps. 5 for this column, 6 for this one, and then 7 over here for this B, or this C sharp. This is the order of sharps here, and they have to be read in that order. You can't read going this direction in our columns. If I am in the key of E major here, I wouldn't say I have these sharps. I wouldn't say I have D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. I would say my key signature for E major is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp in that order. Okay. If you don't use all of this, if you want to eliminate all this when you're writing your charts up here, which I will whenever I show you minors, you can just say, I'm in the key of A, so I'm going to go until I get to the letter that precedes it in the alphabet. So the letter that precedes A in the alphabet, the musical alphabet, is G. So I'm going to use my fat cats go down alleys eating birds. When I say G, or go, I'm going to stop, and those are going to be my sharps. So in the key of A, I have fat cats go. I said G, so I'm going to stop. Those are my sharps for A major. Fat cats go. Okay, let me erase all this and show you a different method. Let me show you the stamp like we had for flats. It's a little different for sharps. It's different pitches. The F sharp is always up here if you're in treble clef. C sharp goes up. It looks like we're going to go up, up, up. Just like in flats we went down, down, down. But we ran out of space up there. We could use ledger lines, but they don't do that. Whoever made this thing up. The G sharp goes way down here. I'm sorry, G sharp. Fat cats go down alleys. The A sharp goes way down here, I meant to say. And then the E sharp does continue in the right pattern. And then the B sharp continues down here. It looks like they want to go just like this, and then like this. But these two kind of jump ship because we don't want to put ledger lines because it looks funny. Okay, so this is the stamp. You would not do it like this. Sorry, I missed. That's beautiful. You wouldn't put the F sharp down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. You wouldn't put F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. This is incorrect because your sharps have to be in this order. Okay? If you have a key signature on the page, you can go up one pitch or one step from the last sharp. The last sharp on the right, if you're a choir person, is T. You go up or down to find Do, and Do is your key. I would go up because it's right here. This space is the E space, that's Do. So if we're on the E space, is there a sharp on the E space? No, there's not. So we're in the key of E major, not E sharp major, E major. Let's show you one that would have a sharp. Fat cats go down alleys eating, and stop there. Okay, so if I'm just looking at this key signature here, with my bad handwriting, this last sharp is T. Go up one to find Do. Do is your key. It's on this line right here, not the space. Don't skip the line. I go down the Do line, or the top line, which is F, just to make sure there's no sharps down there. And there is an F sharp on the F line. So this is the key of F sharp major. That's it.